everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining, you're welcome. Today I'll be teaching you how to make Akara. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. The ingredients needed to make Akara are beans, onions, salt, red pepper, and Maggi Cube. Then we have the oil. So guys, this is the beans I'm using. It's a broken beans, but you can also use the eye beans, which is the other beans, your normal black and white beans. I pour the beans into the bowl and I add the water. Please guys, make sure your water cover the beans. Then I leave it all through the night. You can also leave it for 8 hours. After such, I came by washing the beans. I wash it thoroughly. Please guys, make sure you remove all the chaff and wash very well to eliminate the chaff from the beans. And I continue washing. After washing, I slice my onions. And the bell pepper. And I add it to the beans. After adding it to the beans, you put it inside the blender and add a little water and blend. Please guys, make sure you have the right blender for beans in order to avoid explosion. After blending, you check it if it were blended and you remove it and pour it into a bowl. Then you repeat the same process and you add a little water to it, cover it and blend again. After blending for a few minutes, you remove it and pour it into the bowl. Then you turn it and stir it. After stirring for a while, you add the chopped onions and the chopped bell pepper and the Maggi Cube. Then you add the salt. After adding the salt, you stir for a while, very well, and put your palm in the fire and you add the oil and you start the frying process. Please guys, make sure that your oil cover the beans. Then you separate the beans in order to avoid it to be sticky. Now it's ready. You filter it off the pan. And repeat the same process till it's all done. Okay guys, this is how to make your akara, and you can eat it with so many things, but I'll be eating mine with custard. Oh yeah, I'll be eating mine with custard, and I'll be garnishing it with milk. Okay guys, please, for more video like this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any comment, leave it down the comment section below. Also share to your friend and subscribe for more videos. Love you guys. Bye bye.